Uber stock update here for those that are long-term or short-term on Uber. I'm going to go ahead and share the supports and resistances, so possible buying and selling pressure price regions, right? Currently, right now, I think we should start to see a lot more buying pressure right around 77.53. I know we basically had a pretty good run up from the low here of 60 all the way to where we are currently. That's my opinion, and I believe we should have a new support here at 77.50. That's why I'm believing that this is a new loading zone for a lot of new folks. Uber between 80 to possibly 74 is a really good dip opportunity. So I'm going to go ahead and actually draw this little square here so it's easy for folks to see. Let's go ahead and get that square going on. So you'll notice in a lot of my other videos I have something like this set up, right? So that's where I personally wouldn't mind adding a long-term position into Uber. Of course, we recently hit that low of 60 there. That was the 100 EMA on the weekly chart. That'd probably be the best case scenario. Now, I'm not looking for the best case scenario. That's really hard to time the market, right? I'm just looking for a good scenario because I know long-term Uber is going to be testing these levels: 102, 120, 136, 160, 192. Yes, these are my personal price predictions moving forward in the next couple of years for Uber, okay? And oftentimes, these price targets hit a lot sooner than I expect, a lot sooner than a lot of analysts expect, okay? That's just how the market is on good company stocks, okay? So I believe Uber is going to be a great company moving forward. And in terms of, short-term, where to enter, in my personal opinion, where I would personally enter is between 74 and 80. Obviously, if 74 drops down below, I'll look to add in a bigger position, especially if we get closer towards the 100 or 200 EMA. I think that's an amazing dip opportunity. But as of right now, how the market is, right, the conditions of the market, I think between 80 to about 74 is fair to be adding into Uber stock long term. Now being at 80.41, I also wouldn't mind starting a position here. Again, I mentioned my price predictions and price targets. It's 102, 120. These are approximate, but 136, 158, and then so forth. I think we're going to get a new all-time high, of course, as well. 87 here being tested here in October of 2024. Watch for that retest here pretty soon. I think within the next couple of weeks, we should see a new all-time high for Uber. If you are long-term on Uber stock, I highly recommend joining the Discord. A lot of people sharing due diligence there and articles. You're more than welcome to come in, ask questions, share how you feel about Uber stock long-term or even short-term. Everyone there is very welcoming and friendly. Again, free to join, link there down below in the description for Discord. Over 32,000 members, okay? If you are looking for our live entries and exits, this is on stock, shares, and options. You can join our Patreon link for 90% off discount. It's a permanent discount as we are celebrating our 5-year anniversary. So if that's something you're interested in, feel free to check out the Patreon link down below, okay? Other than that, we will be making weekly updates on Uber stock. If this is something you're interested in, feel free to subscribe, like the video, turn on notifications, okay? Thanks for watching, you guys, and we'll see you on the next video for Uber stock.